Okay, hello everybody, and welcome to the real first part of this series in which I am teaching you how to create a forum software in Laravel. So, the first thing you are going to need for this series is XAMPP or any other PHP server, but for the beginners I recommend XAMPP because it's really simple and has a lot of modules and stuff installed. So you can just download it. It comes with an installer. Just run through the installer very quickly, very simple. Another thing you want to download is called Composer, and Composer is a dependency manager for PHP, which means that you can very easily use other people's projects in your project. One of them is going to be Laravel in this case, and we are going to use parse VB for our VB code for the posts in the forum. So download that, install it, great. Then what you want to do is once you install these two things, you want to start up your XAMPP control panel, and that will look something like this. And these will be off by default. And what you want to do is you want to go to Explorer, and then you want to go to Apache and config or conf. Now, if you set up XAMPP in the default way, which means that there is a folder on your C drive called XAMPP here, and then there's the htdocs folder, then you are going to put your websites in here. That's perfectly fine. Otherwise, you go to the directory where you set it up. In my case, that would be here. And what you want to do is you want to hold shift and right click on your mouse so you can open a command window here. And then what you want to type is composer install Laravel/Laravel, and then your project name. I'm going to call it YouTube Forum, so YouTube Forum. And then you want to do -- prefer dist. Hit enter. And I did something wrong. Oh, I think I know what I did. I think it's create. And let that run. That's going to make a directory and download the Laravel framework into it. Now that's going to take a while, so I will be right back when this is done. Okay, that has done installing. It has installed successfully. Now you can see it created a folder here called YouTube Forum, which is the name of my project, and it has these files inside. Now this is the Laravel framework, and the more we progress in this series, the more you will get to know about these files. But first, to get it to work, we have to set up the document root of our Apache server, which means that once you have Apache running, you can type in, this is the Apache server, you can type in localhost in your browser, and then it will take you to the home page of your project, which is going to be this index.php file. So what you want to do in Windows Vista 7 or Windows 8, you can just go up here and click, and you can copy the file path. Otherwise, you just have to get the file path of this file, and then you want in your XAMPP control panel, you are going to click on Explorer, which will fire up this folder, which I think I already have open somewhere. No, I don't, so I'm going to do it again. Sorry, Explorer. And then I am going to go to Apache, conf, and well, in your case, you're going to, if you did it the default way, you're going to click on httpd.conf, and you are going to edit with Notepad++, and then you have to look for something called the document root, and then for the default, it's this. And when you created your project inside the htdocs folder, inside the xm folder, you just want to append your project name, in my case YouTube forum, and then /public, which is the public directory in which the file is situated here. See, it's in YouTube forum public. However, as you can see, I set mine up in a different way with a vhost, so I'm not going to do this. I am going to go to conf and then extra and then http vhosts. Now remember, if you just set it up the default way, which is the easiest way, just don't look at this. But if you set up a vhost already, then this is fine as well. And you want to just, again, change it to the path of that index.php file in your document root in the virtual host. So that's that for the installation. Now, to check if this worked, I'm going to open a new tab and type localhost. This is oh wait, of course you have to start Apache and well MySQL, and then reload, and this should give you this. If you get this, then that means you have successfully installed the Laravel framework. Otherwise, you can go back in the video and check what you did wrong. Now, I do want to mention, and I'm going to put links for this in the description as well. Laravel, Laravel.com/docs is where the documentation of the Laravel framework is housed. Now, this documentation is excellent. I mean, it's very, very well documented, and yeah, you can find help on every class with samples, and so be sure to check that out if you don't understand anything. So yeah, that was basically it for this video, and the next video I will continue with the MySQL part of it, but for now, see ya.